Hey, what does being happy mean to you? What's work-life balance truly mean? What is the meaning of life? And are we not to be good to one another to be truly happy and successful in life? These are questions I ask myself every single day. Did you know that high heels were invented for men originally? Enjoy the video.
Back. It's wonderful to be able to see because I remember students grade. I don't even remember which one it was, but it came up to me one day and said, what should I do with my life? And my response was, be good. And that's be good at what you're doing, literally make the right moral decisions and always strive to do better than you've done today. And it was, they looked at me like I'd drawn a second hand, but it was one of those, that's real because you know, I'm not going to tell a high school student, well, you need to go off and become an astrophysicist or pick a job. That's not my job. It's, yeah, I always wanted my students to do really well in life in general.